Welcome to Creations of Clay. My name is Louis Palladini, and tonight I'd just like to show you a couple of my latest creations. I did Dogman, and I did the sculpture of Rodan. I want to show you this right now, and I'll rotate it. It's pretty cool. I'm going to try to do Godzilla and Ghidorah next, but this is pretty cool. Just want to show you, spin this around so you can get a good look at what I had done. You know, I put it in a base, and I used to love watching all these movies when I was a kid. So I did want to show you what I did with Rodan. Let's see, I want to get some close-ups here. I know I haven't posted in a while, but that's Rodan. It's made of super sculpey clay, and I'm going to try to make this version for one of my shows, but I just wanted to show you the detail on it right now. I know I haven't posted in a while. I don't have access to my studio at Mansfield Cable Access, so that's why I'm filming this way right now. I do plan to do some more shows. I'll have to film it with my little video camera here. I don't think it'll come out as good as what you normally see on my regular show, but I do want to start putting some things out there for my fans. I know I've been getting a lot of requests for doing sculptures, and I do want to start doing that again, and you know, and then have it improve over time. That's Rodan, but I also did a Dogman sculpture, which is like Dogman / werewolf, and I wanted to show you what I did with that, and it's pretty cool. I made it of super sculpey clay, and look at the tremendous detail that I did, like with the ears, around the teeth. I want to show you with the mouth, and then with the even like the tongue. I'll try to show you that. See how I did that? I did that with dental tools on the teeth, and then you see the eyes and the nose and the mouth, the pointy ears. And I think I did a pretty good job with it, and I would like to eventually make one of these, you know, for my show, but I have to practice making the version so I can, you know, show how anybody can do it. And I want to show you the detail on the hands and the feet. This is pretty cool. I want to show you see the claws that I made right there. Then you have the hand. It's kind of like being folded at the bottom. See that with the claws and things? And I'll move it around so we can see. And then you get the other hand there. Isn't that pretty cool? With all the, you got the claws, and you see I'm just moving up to the front. You see those nice teeth and everything, and he came out pretty good. I was very happy with the results of this. I do want to paint it, and I want to get a little more close-up detail. You can see the eyes there, and you know, the mane. I did give him a tail. I figured he must have some kind of tail, so and then I want to show you the hand. Look at how cool that hand is right there, that I did with the claws and everything. And we'll look at it from the back, and see that I really enjoyed doing this. And see, like that, the ears. I think the ears are very cool the way I did them. Made them nice and little pointed, make them look more menacing. And you know, I'm going to try to upload this as soon as I can, but I just did want to show you I am working on some pieces right now, and I have to figure out a way to use this little video camera and maximize the use of it so I can make some really good videos, so I can copy my show again. You know, I do miss doing it. Massachusetts was one of the worst hit states for the COVID-19. We were like number 3 for a while. I think we're down to number 7 right now. There are other states that are getting ahead of us, but I don't have access to my studio, so Mansfield Cable Access. I did speak to the director there, but he wants to wait a little longer before he opens up and lets people before I start doing shows and then stuff in there again. He wants to you know, give it a little more time. So what I'm going to try to do is do my own versions with my own little video camera here, and over time hopefully I'll improve and get back to the level I was at with my show there. And I do want to thank you for watching this on Creations in Clay tonight, and I do look forward to uploading some more videos of actually doing some work again. And thanks again, and good night.